In this video, I will be showing you how to make a YouTube end screen on Canva. Let's get started. First, I head directly to the search bar on the Canva homepage and type in YouTube Outrow to look for pre-designed YouTube end screen templates. As the page loads, I slowly scroll down through the search results to browse through all the different creative layout options. I take a moment to look at various designs that feature video placeholder frames, channel subscription prompts, social media text handles, and call to action buttons. Once I spot a sleek template that fits my channel style, the black and red modern bold thanks for watching YouTube Outrow video template, I click on it to open up its preview window. After reviewing the layout details, I click on the Customize this template button to open the full design in the Canva editor canvas. Now that the design is loaded, I begin customizing the visual elements to match my preferred color scheme. I click on the primary background section of the video slide and open the top color palette toolbar. I scroll down through the default solid color options and select a rich, deep blue shade to replace the original textured dark background completely. Next, I want to customize the accent colors on the page. I select the circular highlight ring around the profile image placeholder, open the color picker on the toolbar, and select a vibrant light cyan shade to give it a clean contrast against the dark blue canvas. Then, I turn my attention to the subscribe callout bar. I click on the small text background shape right above the subscribe button, open the color menu again, and apply the exact same light cyan color so the accent shades stay fully consistent throughout the layout. After that, I update the main subscribe button shape itself. I select the rectangular button box, open the color palette options, and switch its color to a bold bright red so it instantly draws the viewer's attention. Next, I decide to update the color of the main header text. I click directly on the Thanks for Watching text box, navigate to the text color toolbar at the top, and pick the bright light cyan color to make the title stand out clearly. To replace the stock photo with my own personal photo, I move my cursor over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Uploads tab. I scroll through my media library until I find my image, then drag and drop it right into the circular profile image frame. Finally, I navigate down to the video timeline at the bottom of the screen to check the overall timing and layout. I click the play button to preview the full 6-second outro animation with all of my custom colors, text, and imagery applied. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a YouTube end screen on Canva.